What your name is? How you doing today?
I'm doing all right.
So we got Perfect Hands right here.
Right.
This is another one of those vitamins we just talking about. We talking about some detailing information for your garden. All right. So I want to talk about, because I have an issue with sap. I have a tree, and it it's all over my vehicle, and I kind of don't like that. So what can I do about that?
Well, basically, you want to do more of waxing your car every 3 months. That's what I prefer. If you're doing it quarterly like that, it'll keep your car more, how you say it, protected. Your tree saps some of it is a lot heavier than others, but according to how you park, where you're parking at, if the last time you've been up under trees, or when is the last time you even, took time out to wax it?
Is it the same in winter time, or is it
Same
more in the summer?
It's mostly
It creates more.
well the heat. The more heat, hey, the more the tree's gonna rain sap on your car. That's basically what it is, raining sap.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
yes. But with you waxing it, so most people, you may want to do a hand wax, but sometimes you may even want to take your time out and get a new ceramics. Ceramic coating is nice for cars. It lasts a lot longer, and also helps you keep the glow and the shine in your car. So those are options you have.
So you have the products for that.
Yes, I do have the products for that. I use industrial strength, so with those things, we use those as well as carnauba's too. So that's the basic wax that most car companies use, or if you want to do it yourself at home.
Oh, I can do it myself at home?
Yes.
With these nails.
Hey, perfect hands. These are the perfect hands.
You know what? You right. Give me some 5 on that. 2 5, 2 10.
They're the perfect hands to get the job done. Yes.
Wow, perfect hands, man.
Yes.
What a name. Also, seatbelts. My seatbelts are kind of dirty. I don't like that either. I don't like no dirt, But I don't want to do too much, right?
Right.
And then I mess up something else, whether it's my warranty, like you said, I could do that, or cause them to malfunction.
Right. Well, when you clean the seatbelts, people, most of the time when you see dirty seatbelts, it's from over a period of time. And during that period of time are light colors. Darker colors, you really wouldn't see it, but lighter colors, it really shows. So whatever chemical that you use on it, some it would eat up the fabric of the seatbelt.
Wow.
Right, over time. Over time. So, and it could void your warranties in your car. So those are things you want to look out for too when you're trying to clean a seatbelt.
So we need to keep professionals like yourself.
Well, please call the professionals like myself, and we can get those things taken care of for you. They do have chemicals designed to clean. But you can just check into that. That's something small, but it could wind up being very, detrimental to vehicle warranties and things of that nature.
Wow, that's good to know.
Yep.
Because you never want to avoid your warranties, no matter what
you're doing.
is.
Yes.
Because seatbelts, they're a safety issue. I believe the seatbelt warranty goes a little longer. It's more extended than your 3 years, 36,000. I forget the exact time frame, but it's longer than 336.
Right.
I do know that. It might be 880 with the emissions warranty. So it just depends on the manufacturer.
Right.
But
that
again,
is true.
no, perfect hands, I'm telling you, because I know from mine, I pull it on, you use it. You use it every time you get in the car. It's kind of like your brakes, right? You're going to use that seatbelt. You may get in your car and not turn your signal light because you went straight all day. But you put that seatbelt on, right? So yeah, man. Wow, that's good to know.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, perfect hands.
You're
That's
welcome.
good
You're
to
welcome.
know.
Anytime. And hey, anything else you may need for your vehicle to keep your vehicle in perfect riding condition. I know the kids got the tater chips and the Cheetos. They have all that stuck down between the seats. So
toys. I like it when they come in there. This one I like. They come in there and they say, well, this is a brand new car and my seat won't go back. Wonder why? It's a toy.
Well, it's the G.I. Joe head, man. It's that McDonald's toy.
Yeah.
All that stuck between the how you say
track?
it? The seat track,
Yeah.
right? Under the
Yeah.
seat track.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'm like, good Lord.
We see it all the time, and
Oh,
then of course they're angry. But
Right.
it's a new car, is it? But
Yeah.
toys will make a difference. Even
Coins.
coins is a
Yes.
big one. Coins.
Yeah, coins.
Oh my God, coins.
Quarters and dimes
Dimes.
are the most ones I find.
What?
Quarters and dimes is what you're going to find on your seat track when your seat does not go forward or back. Yes, a quarter or a dime.
Wow. Do you
Yes,
charge extra for that?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Because you saying they got the money.
There you got the money.
You got the coins.
There you go. We
That's
will get the
funny.
coins.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Wow,
indeed.
dude,
but that
that's-
seat track will mess up, and
It will.
sometimes it'll cause you to have to buy a whole nother
Yeah,
seat.
yeah.
So because it's been grinded into the seat. Yeah.
I've seen it also with the lift gates,
Right.
where they'll have some type of clothing or some type of fabric, and they close it on the door latch.
Mm-hmm.
Now my lift gate don't work. Again, just pay attention. Be what? Detail, right?
Detail. Be very detailed.
Detail.
Yes.
All right. So at the end of the day, Perfect Hands, if there was anything else you would like to tell the people, what would that be? As far as the most, let me see. What's most important to you as far as vehicle detailing? What stands out first? I didn't think.
Well, the end result of would be the shine. The shine, the gloss, the glow. How long does my glow last? How long does my the cleaning of what I just did, all my hard work that I put into the car, how long does that last?
Right.
And most people, it just FYI, if you wash your car, you're washing it with some type of bleach. So if you wash a car with some type of bleach, you want to go back over that, just like lotion on your own skin. When you get through, you want to lotion your car. So if you get a quick detailer and go back over the car will stay cleaner a lot longer, and it'll have a better glow.
That's some quick detail right there. Get that instant detail.
Oh, there we go. Something small
Something
like this.
this.
Yep.
We ain't gonna give y'all a name brand yet. 'Cause this ain't no